On the back side, then we're going to color the capital letters blue. Capital means big, so I'm going to find the big ones. Color all the big letters blue. The capital or uppercase B's. Then we're going to color the lowercase b's red. Color the lowercase b's red. Now these B's at the bottom, they didn't quite put them back in together at the same, right on the midline here, but we're still going to go straight down. Pick up your pencil. Make sure your B touches and comes together on the midline. Their heads and bottoms are a little bit small. Okay. Then I want you to write your own B's that come together on the midline. Then you're going to do your lowercase b's, and they forgot to start their letters at the top. So make sure that your B starts all the way at the top. They made theirs a little bit short. We want to make sure that our lowercase b start at the top, and their head stays between the midline and the baseline. When you're done with this paper, you can take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. Here's handwriting for the letter B. First thing we do is always the same. Pick up my pencil and write my name. So I'm going to put my name up here. You can write your name on your paper. All right. So we're doing the letter B. B says B, like a bouncing baby. Let's look at these pictures and see which ones start with B. This first picture is a picture of a barn. Barn. That sounds like it starts with a B, so I'm going to leave it and color it when I'm done. Bell. Bell. Yep, let's leave that one. The next one is a cup, or some people call it a mug, but either way, it doesn't start with a B, so I'm going to put an X on that one. The next picture is of a baseball bat. Bat. Sounds like a B. The next picture looks like a bucket. Bucket. Then we have a boat and a banana and a bone and a butterfly and a picture of the beach and a ball. Wow, you get to color lots of pictures on this. The only one we X'd out was the cup. So remember, then you can take your crayons or colored pencils when you're done, and you can color however you want these pictures, okay? Now at the bottom, let's practice making some letter B's. Here's an uppercase B. And where do letters start? At the top. So we're going to start at the top, where that little star is. Make sure you go straight down. Pick up your pencil. Go back to the top. Give him his head on the top and his head on the bottom. Again, with all of our capital letters, they're touching on the top line and on the base line. All right, let's do it again. Let's go straight down. Pick up your pencil. Come back to the star to give him his head and then the bottom part. Now, if you were the teacher and you saw me start right here and go up, is that a good B? No, we started at the bottom and letters start at the top. So make sure you start at the top, pick up your pencil, and give him his two spots. B's usually come together right here on that midline, the capital, okay? So finish your B's. We don't want any floating B's with space underneath. We don't want any B's that are too skinny or B's that are too fat, okay? Do some good B's there. Then we're going to move to the bottom and do some lowercase b's. We're going to start at the top, go straight down, pick up, and you can come back up a little bit. You don't have to pick it up. You can go and make your circle there. That circle stays between the midline and the baseline. Down, come back up, make your circle between the midline and the baseline. I don't want any floating B's. Okay. I don't want any too skinny B's. And we don't want any too fat B's. Okay. Do your best B's and then color the top of your paper. All the pictures that start with B.